Ladies and gentlemen, Matthews here from FOREX Traders. I hope you're doing great. I'm here with a trade forecast on AUD a stop loss of 7 pips and a target of 218 pips, making it a 1 to 30 risk reward ratio. Make sure that you sit down and watch the rest of the video so that you get as much knowledge as I'm trying to actually pump out in this video. Alright, so make sure stick around and watch the rest of the video. Alright, let's go without wasting much of your time. Alright, so right now I'm on the daily time frame, and you can clearly see that right now we have an A plus setup, textbook setup, right? So you can see that right here we have a drop base rally, we have a QML drop base rally, and you can see that this drop base rally was formed by big momentum candles. And remember, whenever you have that, you always make sure that there is presence of smart money in the market, because there's no change of structure without these big players coming in. All right, so we have this nice rally based drop based rally, then with a broke off structure to the upside. And then look what happened right here. Look here, what happened. We were left with equal lows, pardon me, right? We're left with this equal lows right here. And whenever we have equal lows, guess what? Always want them to be taken out before we can get involved. And you can see right here, this candle right here came and took out these equal lows right here. So you can see that this is almost an equal low as well. So right now, these equal lows have been taken out. So what are we waiting for? Right now, we're waiting for the market to come into this area. Then potentially we can take this trade to the upside. And then also, we're not just going to enter this particular trade just like that. We don't set pending orders here. We all make sure that we wait for the market and wait for entry signals, and then we'll be able to execute manually. Very important. All right, so right now we'll be waiting for the market to open, and when the market opens, potentially there's going to be an Asian session, and then depending on how this market opens up, then wait for the fake out of the Asian session, then we can get in. You can see that our stop loss is just 7 pips and the target is 218 pips right here. Yeah, so I like how this market is presenting, so we'll see how it's going to be. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. We do some multiple time frame analysis. You can see that this is I like the presentation. Really, I like how this market is presenting, and like how this liquidity has been taken out by these nice big candles. And then yeah, let's go to the 2-hour time frame. You can see that yeah, from here to here the market like took about 3 days, which is important, meaning we can anticipate this trade taking about 3 days as well. Now let's go to the 15-minute time frame to identify the order blocks that caused the break of structure right here. So let's check it out. So you always have to make sure that you are doing your multiple time frame analysis. That's where the juice is, so that you go to the lower time frame and then identify the structures that caused different things, right? So you can see that right here I was able to take this as my pin bar, as my order block right here. If I wanted, I would have reduced it to this, but I wanted to just make this a good level like that. So this is the candle I'm looking at, and right now we're just going to wait and see what happens to this particular setup. Otherwise, it looks really amazing. The potential rewards are really crazy. As you can see, this is a 1 to 30, and so far so good. We're just going to wait. It's a waiting game. Once you've seen what you're looking for, then the job is only to wait. Now you have to be patient and wait for the setup to present itself. You don't have to rush it. You don't have to try and get in too quickly. You make sure you wait for everything that you wait for, so that you're able to get that perfect entry that you're going to get. All right, so make sure that you actually look out for this particular trade, because it can be as well as be the best, one of the best trades like you can take this particular week. And like always, the forecasts have been shared in our mentorship community. As you can see right here, this is one of the forecasts we've made, which is AUD, but we have Nasdaq, we have AUD JPY, we have NZD Swiss, we have Euro JPY, and everything right here. So all these are going to be shared, and once these levels, these markets have actually reached our POIs, once the market has come to our POI, then they'll be sent in our signals community, and everything's going to be updated. When to move our stop loss, when to go break even, and all that is going to be updated in our Signals community. All right, so remember, if you want to be part of us, the first link in the description gives you access to our M&F Mastery course, which comes with lifetime mentorship and lifetime Signals and a lot more benefits. All right, and then if you want Signals, it's only $50. You'll get to receive Signals from me directly, real time, as I take this particular trade. And for the mentorship, it's only $250. You get lifetime mentorship, a lifetime Signals, and lifetime access to me to ask me any questions whenever you don't understand. And that's with more than that. Alright, so I hope you found value in this video, guys. If you have, make sure you subscribe, like the video, make sure comment in the comment section, let me know what you think about this particular forecast right here. You guys have a great the rest of the day.